it going today?
Good, early, but good.
Busy or slow?
Yes, slow. And we slow right now, so I'm just chilling right now.
Breakfast you think I could get from here?
From here in the store?
Yeah.
Probably either the kolache or the breakfast pizza, but it would have to be fresh.
Okay.
Yeah.
What's one thing you like about Houston?
The nightlife.
Nightlife?
Mm-hmm.
Are you
fire.
a college student or?
No, I'm a full-time employee.
Thank you. Stay blessed. What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to another video from TM University. This is Southwest College from Houston, and this is my first time here, and I'm very happy to be here, and it feels great and it feels nice. Right now I'm looking around the campus. It looks pretty cool and pretty nice. They've got a nice view. Early morning hour today. I hope today is going to be a great day. Let's see what's going on around the campus, and I'm going to be meeting with a few students coming in one by one. It's nice and quiet right now. Two.
My name's Chris McCullum.
Okay.
I'm a student here at HCC.
Okay.
Studying psychology.
Okay.
What else you want to know about me?
You look like a football player. Do you play football?
No, I like sports, but no, I don't.
Okay.
I'm too old for sports now. So.
Okay. What about you?
Hey, my name's Eamon. I'm doing legal sciences, and yeah, I'm a student at HCC.
Oh, that's pretty good. So what's one thing you like about this school?
Well, for my situation, I guess it was very convenient.
Okay.
They have a lot of campuses around too, like all of Houston. I mean, I get it, it's Houston Community College.
Okay.
But it's easily accessible. You can go to multiple campuses, and I think if you're on a certain budget, it's kind of easy to do like your first 2 years here and then switch over to the bigger.
If I get you correctly, right? This is 2 years college.
I mean, it could be 4 year, but
It could be 4 year.
yeah, but most people do two
Two.
and then transfer out.
Oh, okay. So what about you?
Yeah, same thing for me. It's about flexibility and the ability to pick your classes whenever you like. That
Okay.
for me is super easy, and that's why I'm here.
Okay. One more question. Do you have like any a goal for 2022?
This year or next year?
This year.
Oh, goals
It's
this
like
year.
a rewind from January.
Man, no, my goals are, I don't know, I've just been trying to get through the year. So I'm happy, you know, it's December. So I guess I made my goal as long as I make it the next 25 days.
What about you?
Just wanted to have like a set schedule where I'm, you know, going to classes and, you know, I'm decisive about what I'm doing. And yeah, I think I've achieved that. I'm like on a trajectory to my path, and yeah, it's going good for now.
Did you achieve any of your goals?
I have achieved quite a few.
Quite a few?
Yeah.
So if you had to put yourself on a scale when it comes to getting those, like what number can you just give yourself on that?
Oh, rating myself?
Yes, sir.
I hate when people rate themselves.
I tell you this, right? There's no place you go that people don't rate you. In college, they grade you, but they don't call you rating. If you don't meet up, that's why they let you, okay, redo the class. So I don't know why people always run away from that. We can't, even though when you get a job, they will evaluate you. And
Yeah,
if you're not good enough, you won't get promotion.
Yeah,
And if you're bad, they let you go. So.
Okay. I mean, I'd say I'm doing pretty good for myself.
Out of 10?
I'd say definitely above average, probably like an 8 right now. I could be doing a lot better.
8 is a pretty good number.
Well, you know, I'm not average, but I'm not a 7. People like to say 7.
All right. Thank you very much, brother. What about you?
What about me?
Yeah. You have to rate yourself as far as your goal.
11 by 10.
Oh!
Personally, I feel like arrogance has a place, and you know, I'm here to claim my own, and yeah, I got
so
it.
you're just like Tom Brady, right?
I'm decisive about that. Yeah, I know where that's going.
That's 11 good. Have a wonderful day. You know, enjoy your life. Life is too short, man.
Oh yeah, likewise.
Just, you know, enjoy the moment, my brother.
Yeah,
Stay blessed.
Crazy talking to you. Yeah,
What's your YouTube channel?
TM University.
TM?
Yeah, University. Stay blessed, brother.
Take care.
Yeah. Good morning, bro.
Good morning.
Pretty good. What's one thing you like about your school?
So one thing I like about my school is just, I mean, it's pretty big. I mean, everything's self-paced and amazing teachers.
Wow.
Pretty
You
much.
play football?
Used to, yeah.
Come on, man. You look like a linebacker. What's your name?
Mauricio.
Mauricio.
Yeah.
Stay
What's your
blessed. TM.
Tim.
Stay blessed and have a great day.
Good.
Pretty good. Nice meeting you, my brother. What's one thing you like about your school?
I don't know. I just like coming here,
Okay.
you know.
Okay. What do you study here?
What am I studying?
Yeah.
Architecture.
Architecture?
Yes, sir.
That's a lot of work, man.
Yeah.
Have
it
a great
is.
day.
All right,
Wish you the
thank
best, my bro.
You too, man.
So you come here every day?
No, I go here and another college nearby. It's called Houston Baptist University.
Oh, that's private school, right?
It's a university, it's a private school.
Okay.
It's now called Houston Christian University.
What do you study? What you studying?
Ancient religions.
Wow.
I want to write my thesis on possibly Platonism.
Okay.
Plato
Okay.
and then early Islam.
Oh, early Islam.
So
Okay.
ancient into Arabic.
I play basketball.
Oh, basketball. That's pretty good. What's one thing you like about this college?
The classes, the people, it's kind of small classes so I can learn better for me personally.
Okay.
It's kind of flexible.
Okay.
Like I can work and go here. I have a lot of time, so it's good.
Okay. What you studying here?
I'm sorry?
What you studying? What's your major?
Oh, business.
Business.
Yeah.
Pretty cool, man. I wish you best of luck.
Appreciate
and
you.
happy holiday. Stay blessed. Let's see right here. This is really pretty cool. Man. Good morning, good morning.
Hello, my name is Bashir. I'm a computer science major.
How about you?
My name is Joel. I'm a biology major.
How about you?
My name is Naomi. I'm a
nursing major.
Nursing?
Yeah.
What about you?
Hi, my name is Sierra, and I'm a biology major.
Okay. Let's start with, what's this group called?
Not even a group.
It's not really a group.
Not even really a group. We're just
friends.
We're just friends, and we're just all studying at the same table.
Oh, from high school or?
No, from this semester, like August, like September actually.
Yeah.
That's pretty good.
What is it? I think it was September. Yeah.
Okay. So do you watch YouTube?
Do I watch YouTube?
Yeah.
No, not really. I'm more of a Netflix.
I watch
person.
YouTube.
So what do you watch on YouTube?
Mostly sports, basketball.
Okay.
Right now, mostly the World Cup too.
Oh.
I'm watching that.
Like, comment, and subscribe to TM University.